Welcome to Mitra Hermitage Ayurveda Hospital, your way back to nature. Mitra Hermitage helps to overcome your health issues by working in tandem with Mother Nature. The ancient medical science of Ayurveda helps your body and mind to heal itself with the help of plant-based medicines. Mitra Hermitage Ayurveda Hospital is an NABH accredited hospital from Central Health Ministry, AYUR Department. It is an ISO 9001-2015 standard organization with a green leaf classification by Government of Kerala. Mitra Hermitage Ayurveda Hospital is proud to state that it is the only Ayurveda hospital in the capital city to achieve the 3 accreditations. The hospital provides outpatient consultations with clinical procedures, catering to walk-in patients seeking opiate treatments. Mitra Hermitage offers 15 beds for its patients to settle down and cure their ailments. Medical reimbursement facility is available from all medical insurance companies in India. Our mission and vision in a nutshell. We are committed in providing excellent patient care with unrelenting attention to clinical excellence, patient safety, and unparalleled passion. Commitment in assuring the very best healthcare to the needy. Creating a supportive team environment for patients, employees, and clinical staff. Fostering learning and growth through comprehensive academic and educational relationships. Exhibiting stewardship and creativity in the management of all available resources. Our vision is to make Ayurveda treatment available to people worldwide, and to be a globally renowned Ayurveda hospital for meeting the healthcare needs of people through incomparable patient care and professionally executed treatment modalities. We offer treatments for neck and back pain, arthritis, skin diseases, and gynecological disorders. Our specialty clinics treat obesity, bile stone, metabolic disorders like diabetes, thyroid, and PCOS. We do a specialized post-chemo detox program in our hospital. When it comes to patient safety and hygiene, Mitra Hermitage stands apart in the crowd. Patient safety takes the front seat at Mitra Hermitage. In the hospital, the treatment rooms and all the instruments utilized for patient care undergo regular lab tests to rule out bacterial or viral contaminations, and also take preventive measures if needed, thereby ensuring utmost patient safety. The hospital management and staffs make sure that you are in safe hands. We aim towards a holistic healthcare. A team of professionally trained doctors, therapists, and supporting staffs strive hard to flawlessly maintain the hospital's tagline towards holistic healthcare.